Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockman Supply, and I'm filming this by myself today, so excuse the poor camera work, but just wanted to show you a couple little things that we've been working on here. These three tools, we're calling pocket tools. So they're the size of a business card, so they fit nicely in your wallet or as a keychain. But what these are just the perfect little Christmas gifts for the woodworker in your life. So let me explain a little bit what they are and what they do. So the first thing we got here is a MortiseTenon Finder. This is made specifically for 2-inch dovetail jaws, but as you're turning your bowl and you're working on your tenon, you can just quickly use this gauge and that will tell you if you have the perfect size tenon or not. And on the other side here, if you're working on a mortise, it does the same with a mortise there. And then on the bottom, you have a couple dovetails, so if you want to check the dovetail to ensure they match your jaws, you can even do that. So this is just a really simple way to get the perfect size mortise or tenon without having to guess. So next we have the Sawyers Gauge. Now on the Sawyers Gauge here, we have a whole bunch of markings all the way from a 1/16 to 8/4, just like what you see at the lumberyard. So if you are at the lumberyard, you can quickly check the thickness of the material you're working with here or looking to buy. But again, at your home shop, you can quickly check the thickness of the plywood or the thickness of whatever material you're working with there. And then also where it comes in really handy is on a table saw or a router table, you can quickly see the height of your blade just by butting that up against there. So yeah, that's called the Sawyers Gauge. And then finally, we have a French pocket curve here. Now, this is pretty well a mandatory item if you are looking to draw curves and circles for carvings or fine furniture. Essentially what that is this is a progressively smaller radius curve. So unlike a compass, it will help you transition from a straight line to a curved line, among a lot of other things. So yeah, that's the other really neat little item. So yeah, there's our lineup of new pocket tools here. So yeah, if you guys have any ideas for new ones that we can make of a similar size, let us know. And which one would you find the most useful? Let me know in the comments. And if anybody else has any questions, you can email me at info@stockmansupply.com or just comment on the video. Thanks for watching.